Hi, I'm Justin Helmer, and today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to take advantage of the built-in development tools for backbone-node-boilerplate. First thing you want to do is open Chrome's Web Developer Tools, and also the Node Inspector, which by default is on 5858 and can be viewed in a web browser on port 8080. From here, you're going to want to set a breakpoint in both the server and the client. In the server, we're going to set a breakpoint right before the request is made that sends the data back to the client. In the client, we're going to look right where node fetch happens, which is Backbone's way of syncing with the server, and we're going to put a break in the success handler. Then we're going to have a break on both the server and client, so we have full control of the communication between the two. When I click on View Foos, you'll see the URL change to foo and a network request go out. It doesn't show up in the XHR tab yet, because it hasn't yet completed. But in the All tab, I see the request to foo and it's still pending. When I click on the request, I can see the request URI hits the node server and passes the accept headers listed here. When I jump to the node server, I can see that the breakpoint has captured it and I can begin expecting variables in the surrounding area. Also, I can see that the data that's going to get sent back is represented here with this mock data, and when I hit play, that's the data that should get sent back to the client. You'll see a success callback gets triggered, which then triggers the ready event for the model or collection. You will also see a listener set up that then triggers render for the model, so I'm going to set another breakpoint there and hit play. In this context, we can take advantage of scope variables to check the value of this and other things in Closure and Global, as well as use the console to inspect variables and run functionality. You'll see in the example here, I'm observing a collection and then running a particular event on an individual model that exists within that collection.